Hi everyone, I'm Gabrielle, owner of MyLovi, and today is National Peach Cobbler Day. And you're probably wondering, well, that's good, what's cobbler? We also have our crisp, we have our crumbles, and we have our pies. But what is the difference between all of them? So I'll just quickly explain them all to you. A pie is very simple. It usually has a bottom and a top crust. A lot of times with your peach pies, you might have a lattice type top, but it's not necessarily you need to have it done that way. But that's one of the two ways you'll have it, either a full crust or a lattice top. Now the difference is when you get to a crisp and a crumble, not much is difference between the two of them. The only difference is in a crisp is that you add oats. So both of them, whether it be a crumble or a crisp, they both have sugar, whether it's white or dark sugar or a combination of both. You'll have flour and you'll have butter. That's not including any kind of, spices you may add. The only difference is like I said, the crisp has oats to it and they're all put on top of the fruit. So you'll have your fruit in the bottom and some kind of topping, whether it is the crumble or the crisp. Now, a cobbler is more like a biscuit or a cake-like top filling, but it is still just on the top. So it makes, whether it's a crisp, crumble, or a cobbler, they're really great desserts to make if you just want to make something really quick, because usually you either just peel a couple of apples or canned peaches if you don't have fresh, and then you just make this topping. Usually you can bake it in a half hour to 40 minutes. So it really makes a really good quick dessert, especially if you have something, family coming over or guests and you just want to make a quick dessert or just something for your family. So go out, maybe make one of these and enjoy National Peach Cobbler Day. Have a good one.